If your Samsung washing machine keeps filling with water, you probably have a problem with the level regulator. The level regulator is located in a very easy place to replace, but before you proceed to replace it with a new one, try this trick. It worked for me. Open the top cover. This is where the level regulator is located. Sometimes a blockage occurs at the bottom of the hose, where the air that activates the level regulator should pass. And clip the hose and blow hard to remove the blockage. If you feel a blockage, that's the problem. That's all. Close it back up and test. Things work fine for me.